Contamination means that hundreds of brownfield sites are rejected for building every year, putting more and more pressure on the countryside. Now, however, new technology developed in Kent and being tested in Margate could allow them to be redeveloped.
Around 200 filling stations close every year. The soil is often left heavily contaminated, and cleaning it up would be hugely expensive and difficult until now. Our environment correspondent Mark Norman explains.
After more than 50 years as a filling station, this site near Margate stands empty. But there's a problem.
How to turn a classic brownfield site like a former petrol station into a piece of land that we can use again. There's a problem, not here on the surface, but here, below my feet.
Temperature is 23.4.
The ground underneath the old forecourt is heavily contaminated with petrol and diesel. Both are toxic and could eventually seep through the soil to the water table.
If you build on top of here and you don't remove them, they actually might enter the structure of the building and over time accumulate and create an health risk.
The solution used to be to dig it and dump it, literally taking soil away in lorries to specialist landfill sites. Expensive financially and environmentally. Ecologia have developed a system where they apply heat and a vacuum to the soil, which removes those contaminants on the site.
We're literally heating the system very much like a microwave oven might heat food, but we're not using microwaves, we're using radio waves. This will heat the water within the soil. It'll also heat the particles of contamination themselves, and as soon as they heat up, they're liberated from the soil and we suck them out.
Around 600,000 new homes are planned for the southeast in the next 20 years. Using brownfield sites is critical to that government target.
In Kent, in the Thames Gateway and the Ashford growth areas, we've got particular areas of brownfield site which, if we weren't going to reuse them, we would be really struggling to meet the housing targets that we're looking for and government are looking for. And that company's come forward with these new techniques which are proving very helpful.
Ecologia will now assess the results from this site while embarking on other projects across the UK. Mark Norman, BBC South East Today, Margate.